10 and 2, 10 and 2, 10 and 2, 10 and 2. I'm not angry. I'm not anxious. I'm tired. I just want to get home. Step outside of this body. Let my head hit the cushion. Vaporize into nothingness. No, officer, I don't know why you pulled me over. But flashbacks have all my lines melted to memory. And last night's smoke session, I had a premonition. You see, I visualized this incident. I can recite the lines. Yet I never took the time to read between them. So we could skip to the line where you tell me to step out. As I know you can smell the sweet scent of skunk that steams from my palms, like the warm exhale of a New York City street, providing comfort to a vagabond that's been stepped over and stepped upon, left broken. But I won't be broke with my hands out. So yes, I've tilled soil with these green thumbs. As making shit work sometimes requires doing dirt, yet you turn your nose up as if the man you are has never reeked of manure. So let's just remove the line that says don't move. I won't flinch as you scrape the scraps of residue from under my nails. Don't want to leave me with a dime or any evidence of your role when the smoke clears. Get them up higher. Oh, I'm sorry. Those were your lines. My natural reaction to this unwritten script already knows the choreography to this scene. Keep my hands up to keep them empty while you fill yours with the smoking gun. The only load that you seem to be able to carry, still, my life, my livelihood, the fruits of my labor, while you craft loopholes behind my back to leave me hanging. So go ahead, recite your lines. It's just another sentence written to the bitter reality of this 13th Amendment. This lemon law that we call 3 strikes, while you pitch false justice to justify removing me from the game so you can take the fields. 500,000 hemmed up for harvesting hemp. We baked, set the table so you can eat good. You're reaping what I've sown, and then farming out legalized lies like 25% of revenue goes towards education. Sounds good, but school bells still don't ring in the hood. No one seems alarmed. So I wrote a list of demands, now sweat smeared ink graffiti in the palm of my hands. My headline, written in black and white: cannabis removed from the controlled substance list, only to provide sustenance for the pockets of lobbyists. I won't be silenced by your hush money policies. I demand priority. My heartline, horizontally integrated. Don't undervalue my humility, misappropriate my being. I bet you didn't account for this resilience, this inflation of consciousness that now knows that my 2 cents is worth more than the pennies that you toss me. I demand autonomy. My lifeline, here is written the richness of my experience, broken by the calls needed to fund white existence, with shades of copper melted from my skin as we cultivate everything under the sun. I've supplied, and now I demand change. Okay, this is where you put me under arrest for speaking from a high level of comprehension, or I guess I mean for getting high. But no worries, I won't resist. I know my fate line like the backs of my hand, but I keep getting tongue-tied. What I mean is, I can recite my fate line with my hands behind my back.